Hey YouTube. Um, hey, what's going on? Um, I've been working on this since yesterday. Um, it's strange, when you have all these different little things you want to try, you kind of really don't know what you're doing or whatever. Um, this is a Bugs 3 board. It's brand new. This board's new, and but it's a version 2 board. So that's the whole uncertainty, first of all, of this particular project, because this is a version 2 board, not a version 1 board. And this board was supposed to be the board that I used to experiment to see if I could get 2-wire ESCs to work on a version 2 board like it works on a version 1 board. And I need a replacement board for the red pill. But I didn't want to put a new board on the red pill just yet because it's, you know, the ESCs aren't soldered so great. Because I did the work and the work's not very clean, and I wanted to start on something and use everything fresh from the beginning to the end for once. And even all the wire that I used it's all silicone wire. It's not like, just hardware store wire. It's different, you know. I didn't take into consideration that silicone wires operate at different temperatures, I guess. And I think one of the mistakes I made on the other quads is just using a mixture of all these different wires and different gauges and, weird stuff. I think that's one of the reasons for the delay in response, the way it would kind of, have to kind of like warm up. Plus my solder joints weren't too good. Anyway, it's going to be kind of a bummer if this doesn't work, because as soon as I plug it in, it may fry, because once again, it's a version 2 board, and the signal wire for the ESC is 1 wire, and I'm going to just take a chance and take that 1 wire and wire it to what I presume to be the positive on the 2-wire ESCs. It's going to suck because these are brand new. I have little B 20 amp ESCs going to the new board, and I have Bang Toys X16 motors. It was a toss-up between these and my XK350 motors. Either way, they're both 3-cell motors. They're both basically 450 or 350 size type motors, I presume. So, I'm just curious. I want to get them down on the 250. So everything's done. I'm just at the point where I just have to hook the motors up to the ESCs. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to solder the red wire, and the other 2 wires I'm just going to hand twist until I get the polarity. But once again, this all could be for nothing, man, because I could plug it into mine and it may just fry. But, we hope it works, of course. These are neat looking little ESCs. I thought they'd be bigger because I think they're supposed to be pretty powerful. These are the ESCs that actually came or were supposed to come with those LHI motors that I have on the Samurai. So the motors on the Samurai actually were supposed to come in a set with the ESCs that I'm putting on this particular bird. And should this work, then we'll give her a name. Yeah, I'm pretty optimistic. Well, no, just very, very hopeful. I really like these ESCs. They just look cool. Um, Never used them before. I don't know what the hell I'm doing, man. Anyway, I got other stuff I got to do. I got work to do, bills to pay, chores to do. But I've been sleeping this project for a few days, just in my head. And then I started it yesterday, and so here it is. I'll be binding it today, hopefully, or frying it today. Oh, I have about 5 silver Bang Toys motors. But only 3 of the silver Bang Toys motors was brand new. The other 2 motors were used and, question mark as to, whether or not they work. And I didn't want to kit bash anything else, and I did want to use everything brand new. So if I fry it, I fry it, but I want to use everything brand new. So I have a couple brand new black motors. They're supposed to be the same X16 motors. So I figured instead of having 3 silver motors and 1 black motor, I'll just go ahead and find the counterclockwise mate, and I'll match them. So we're matched. I thought about matching them in terms of counterclockwise and counterclockwise, how the nut pattern is, gray, black. But I figured, I'll do it this way. This will be the back, and that's the front. All right. Peace, YouTube. Hope everything's cool. I'm sorry about the rant the other day regarding Eddie Hickey. It may be childish or whatever. I just, we want our stuff, man. That's all. I mean, I would bend over backwards to get somebody else their shit, especially if I said so. I mean, and we're talking, I told him to keep a frame. We're talking 2 frames, bullnose props, tri-blade props, a shitload of, maybe 8 motors, probably 8 or 10 ESCs, I just want 1 controller back, which is the version 1 controller, because I sent him 2 controllers, a version 1 and a version 2. I told him to keep the version 2 for himself, because you could always use them, and send me back to version 1. So, I mean, come on, man. But that's clearly stuff I could totally use. Obviously, you see, I'm tinkering. Oh, here are the motors right here. Hi, baby. Yeah, I'm using your ESCs on the other one. Anyway, yeah, you can totally see, I may not be flying a lot or FPVing or anything, but I'm tinkering, man. Shit. And, all right, man. Peace, you guys. Hopefully there'll be a flight video of this thing later. I thought of a name. I don't know. Blue Flame, Blue Thunder. It don't even have to be blue. Just whatever, man. It's just it's another fucking, hopefully a badass little rat rod. And a reliable one I could fly every day. I wouldn't just fly 2 or 3 times and then it gets iffy. That's the whole idea of this. And then it'll be great information, man. Find out that I don't have to keep hoarding the bugs on boards. They're great, but a little voice in my head is saying, Mark, leave the bugs alone. Just fly, dude, or just changing ESCs and changing motors. You're just gonna keep burning shit out and burning yourself out. If that's the case, man, then I guess I may have to move up to one of those race boards and all that shit, because I just kind of I'm really digging putting, I hate solder, man, but I'm really digging the fucking just having shit under the hood, I want to be able to say, yeah, man, I got a fucking Iscadarian cam in there, some fucking, you know, some kind of lifters or whatever, push rod, and I got shit in there. Under the hood, it's not stock. So, and if the bugs can't take it, I just may have to move on, man. But the problem with that is that means I have to move on to a controller. Dude, and if it gets into the point where I have to like flash ESCs and all that stuff, nah, I'm cool. I'm cool. I just want something I can fly all the time and just go balls out if I want to. But not have to repair after every flight. Because I don't do stunts. I have a deal. If I leave people alone, they leave me alone. If I leave trees alone, they leave me alone. If I leave buildings alone, they leave me alone. I don't need stunts. I just want to fly, man. I love seeing the streak go across. It just, you don't know what it does. All right. I got work to do, man. I have to call a tow truck, get my car towed. All right. Okay, I don't know if I should have a fire extinguisher. This might be kind of embarrassing for me, but I figure I'll document the attempt anyway. It's either going to smoke and blow up, catch fire, or nothing will happen, or hopefully the motors will actually start to spin. We've only got one light. Okay, already that sucks. All these were done. I don't know why they're tripping. All right. Well, brand new board. It's not my work. It's the board. It's not even the ESC the way it's hooked up. The board. Because all my LEDs are wired up right, man. Fuck. That's a lot of work, man. Board's gotta go.